Hi everyone, this is Erin with 818 Villas. It's been a while since I have not posted a video. I have been sick, so I finally started to get better. And so talking about health, how important it is. So next I want to talk about what will be the best hospital in Indonesia, and also what will be the best coverage or health coverage that you need to get in order for you to be able to just travel, don't worry about a thing, and when you're overseas. So stick around. So as a traveler or as an expat, getting sick can happen. So it's either the tropical climate or the food or just a level of stress. It hit you and can get very stressful as well. But if you prepared and make sure you get yourself some insurance ahead of time, then you should be nothing to worry about. Because first things first, you need to get a really good health insurance. Trust me, you don't want to deal with unexpected medical costs when you're overseas. So there are a few great international health insurance I recommend for expats in Bali. So first we have Cigna. They got comprehensive, like a global coverage, including inpatient, outpatient care, medical evacuations, and wellness benefit as well. And they also have a huge network of healthcare providers worldwide, so you have covered no matter where you are. Another solid option you can get is the EXA Health Insurance. They have a customized plans for everything from preventive care to hospitalizations, and also a specialized consultant. EXA Health Insurance, very known as for being very flexible, which is perfect for an expat if you have a specific needs or a coverage preferences. But for those if you are on a bit of a budget, IMG is called the International Medical Group. It's a great choice. They offer affordable plans, including coverage for emergency checkups and routine treatments. IMG is also flexible health insurance, and it gets some of the most budget-friendly option out there compared to the other two. But if you want something with a really wide range of global options, check out Healthcare International, called the HCI Health Insurance. There are some for expat, digital nomad, and anyone who constantly on the move. They give you access to over 7,000 medical centers worldwide, plus the 24-hour claim line, which is super helpful if you need advice or help or on the go. So now that we got the insurance covered, let's talk about where to go if you do ended up needing medical care in Bali. There are some fantastic hospitals there now, and you definitely want to know where they are. Yeah, so here are the lists that you can save it onto your travel list, just in case if anything ever happened to you. So number one is called the Bali Med Hospital. Med Hospital is focusing on providing high quality service patient care. Its focusing features a wide range of medical specialties, including but not limited to the emergency medicine, obstetrics, and also gynecology, pediatric, and also general surgery. The hospital is definitely equipped with advanced medical technology and staffed by the team dedicated professional committed to health and wellness. And number two, we have this hospital called the BIMC Hospital, and it's short term for the Bali International Medical Center, commonly known as the BIMC, which is renowned private medical facility that located in Kuta. As part of the Xylophone Group, it has become one of the most trusted preferred medical clinic for both locals and tourists on the island, and it's also known for its comprehensive emergency, dental, and medical services as well, including cosmetic surgery and also dialysis. These hospitals, caters to international patients and with a multilingual staff. So BIMC Hospital currently operates in 3 different locations. One is in Kuta, another one is Nusa Dua, and also in Ubud. And number 3, we have this hospital called the Prima Medica Hospital. It's re-owned, and it's also another comprehensive health services and exceptional patient care. Since first its opening, which is in 1992, Prima Medica has become one of the leading hospitals in Bali. It's providing the high-quality medical services to the patients, features a wide area of medical specialties, including advanced center for aesthetic and plastic surgery. It it is equipped with the modern medical technology to ensure the highest standard of care. Also provides screening services, including full body checkups and also cancer screening as well. Number 4, we have the hospital called the Bali Royal Hospital. Short term as BROS. It's one of the island's most renowned private hospitals, founded in 2013. It's equipped with a very modern medical facility and advanced technology to provide also higher quality medical care for the patients. Bali Royal Hospitals is known for this personal care services, and including the emergency care and also maternity care services and also special treatments. This hospital definitely aim to provide a high quality healthcare with focus patient comfort and safety as well. So last but not least, we have this brand new hospital that just opened 2025 of this year. It's called the Bali International Hospital. It's called BIH. It's a new private hospital in Sanur that is located in a Sanur Healthcare Pacific Economic Zone and serve for local residents and also tourists as well. And they're focusing on a center of excellence with advanced diagnostic capabilities, specializing in a critical areas such as radiology, oncology, neurology, and also gastroenterology and orthopedics as well. So its signature services will also include a rapid emergency response, diagnosis center for health checkups and screening tests, medical rehabilitations. If you are living in Bali or visiting, make sure you got solid international health insurance like Cigna, EXA, IMG, and also HCI. So if you do get sick and head to one of the top hospitals like BIMC, Bali Med, and also Bali Royal Hospital, so you'll be in a good hand. So that's it. Hopefully you'll find this video helpful on your next trip, and don't forget, do your research. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.